뭐야 이게?
Französi.
프랑스지, 프랑스지, 프랑스시, 잉글리시, 코리안시, 폴리시, 로마니아시.
He's learning German. He's trying to. So it's the end of a really tiresome week.
아 야.
So now we are getting a reward. We are going for
짜장면. 짜장면과 탕수육을 꼬량주랑
Nam Nam.
넘넘.
Nam Nam.
터키시 레스토랑. 터키시.
Yeah, there's two dots on the U. Without the two dots, what's the sound?
우.
With two dots?
이.
Good.
예. 예. already really lots of parking there. It's different sound. It's not crunchy, but soft.
It's cold outside. Better than just sausage. And that's ridiculously expensive.
Happy?
Broccoli mousse.
Yes. That's my favorite.
Not pudding? What was the difference?
Oh, this is mousse.
Mousse.
The other one is pudding.
Pudding.
Mousse. You need to try the mousse.
Okay. Let's try
And
it.
also, this was stolen.
Stolen.
Yes.
Stolen. What's edamame?
This one. This is edamame.
What?
Shiitake.
What's shiitake?
Mushroom.
Chicken teriyaki.
One or two? One.
Two. Shiitake. Oh.
The rice is not tightly enough. So when I pull out the corner want to get out. Yeah, the rice sticks to the plastic more than itself.
Actually, 20 years ago, about 20 years ago, 2005, 2007, this triangle-shaped kimbap released first time in Korea. And back then,
Same thing happened.
yeah. Is it chicken?
This was the
Teriyaki chicken, right?
yep, teriyaki chicken. I cannot taste the teriyaki.
Yeah, right. It's weird.
I mean, it's not bad, but definitely not teriyaki.
No, it's not teriyaki. the green bean, right?
Yeah.
That green bean is
Green bean, carrots, and chicken, but I cannot taste any teriyaki.
I don't know where chicken is from.
Chicken is cute.
Ah, that's chicken.
And carrot. The rice is quite strongly seasoned.
Yeah.
여기가 브로츠와브 완전 중심시네요. 야, 토익구죠, 토익구. 와, it's so crowded here. Yeah, let's take a picture. 저쪽 안쪽까지 쭉 이어지는구나. 엄청 크네.
돌아야 되는데
The house looks like the Händel and Gretel cookie castle.
카세드로.
였던 것 같은데.
우리 여기서 술도 먹었었나?
그건 아니지. 술 먹긴 했지 않았나? 그 케밥 먹었던데. 파슬라. 끝. 바나나. 바나나? 아 초코
Strawberry. Try it first. It's really juicy. Right?
It's totally different.
Yeah. Something.
아이 탕후루랑 향이 다른데?
You wanna try the banana?
야 바나나.
Strawberry is good, but banana is better, right? No. Banana is good, but strawberry is better.
What is it? Dwarf. Dwarf. Detective. No? Barbie teacher. Baran. Rabbito. Okay.
You will bring something hasn't read anyway. Some blood is from the moon. Some blood reading these messages.
Ah, yeah, I played. Yeah, I played. Oh, it's smiling.
Creepy, right?
Yeah.
Super creepy. Oh my god.
자샤.
Genius kid. Yeah, here you can see.
뭐야 이게?
It's alright. We are kids, alright. Interesting, right?
Yeah, I think I never saw smoking in life. Whoa. Whoa, smoking.
Looks like your friend, right?
Yeah.
Or I thought it's some kind of English again.
이제 경무라비를 뭐라고? Basically, trader. But 재래식 trader who has really big bag, moving from one town to town, yeah, door to door. Yeah, it's 재래시장. Yeah. 이런 데서
고기 여기서 담아.
그 닭가슴살 이거 좀 싸나? 닭가슴살 좀 사갈까? 집에서 삶아가지고 이제.
Proszę zobaczyć, proszę to dać, bo to jest
Ja,
jedno
this
tylko,
one,
tak?
this one,
To już
yeah.
będzie dla was. Proszę zobaczyć, jak się rozsmarowuje.
This is all natural.
All natural.
Yes, aloe
No
vera.
chemical.
Jak to się wchłania, proszę zobaczyć, jak proszę wydać rękę. Ja dałam temu panu za dużo.
커피.
Sure. 그 커피 진짜 좋아.
치즈. 젓갈 같은 게 있네.
Polish sushi.
아, deer.
Like beer?
Not mine, but I like.
That smells like hay.
Yeah.
Smells like chicken hay.
When I have
콤부차.
Dzień dobry, zapraszam na degustację kombuczy.
Gotcha. You want to try?
Good?
yeah, take it with you. So Daddy, I can check it out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Going back to Dresden. Yeah, from Poland, we had 1 day travel. We saw the really crowded Wrocław Christmas market, which is really bigger than any other Christmas market I ever visited. Yeah, it was really big,
Quite big.
really crowded, super crowded. What?
Magnets.
Magnet. Yeah, we can drop by somewhere or at Magnet. Yeah, later when we have enough time to travel. It was just a 1 day trip.
Yeah, we need a Wrocław magnet. Alright,
Good.
bye bye.
A lot of ladybugs.
Takie ładne nogi, to tylko ty możesz.
커피. 아이고, 아우고 힘들다. Poland is the origin of the
Bagel.
isn't it? Bagel?
I think it looks like a bagel, but it's not a bagel. But we could try it.
Where is then bagel? Original bagel. Actually, that onion bread tastes like bread, bagel.
Okay, let's try one.
This is 23 grams per portion of 30 grams.
Protein shake. So this one is about baking powder. Oh, okay. Then
It's festive pills.
oh, then let's try this one. Okay.
Festive pills.
Barka.
We're trying.
Barka. This is much bigger.
Hydrating. Sera sugar. Oh, here, I can see the ingredients.
Aqua isopropyl.
Usually the last ingredients, if it's exfoliating, should be salicylic acid. Then it can work for pimple. This doesn't have salicylic acid. Thank God that ingredients are in universal language.